Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by preparing the device. Plug in if low and unlock it. Open Settings, then tap Privacy or Security. This is where the lock controls live. Once there, locate the current lock method and export or note a backup key. This prevents lockout. Now choose Change Lock or Manage Privacy Lock to begin. You're acting now. Do not exit settings, because interrupting mid-change can require a reset. Make sure you have biometrics ready if you'll re-enroll them next. You'll now modify the lock. Select the new lock type, PIN, password, pattern, or biometric and follow the prompts. Enter your current lock when asked. This authorizes the change. Then, type the new PIN or password twice to confirm. If biometric, re-enroll your fingerprint or face. Once set, review app-level privacy toggles and trusted device lists. Remove anything you don't recognize. Take your time. Mismatched entries or skipped confirmations will force you to redo steps, so verify accuracy before proceeding. You finish by testing the new lock. Lock the screen, wake it, and unlock with the chosen method, then open a few protected apps to confirm access. Once satisfied, update any password managers and enable two-factor authentication where available. This strengthens privacy. If you're locked out, use the backup key or recovery email first. Only perform a factory reset as last resort. Keep one troubleshooting tip in mind. Rebooting before retrying often clears transient biometric or sensor errors. Try that before escalating.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.